Today I'll show you how to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create Login and Delete. Let's dive right in. Launch your Messenger app and navigate to the chat section. End-to-end encryption is a security method that ensures your communication remains secure. With end-to-end encryption, no one, including Google and third parties, can read your messages as they travel between your phone and the recipient's phone. So how can you disable this feature? The first method involves accessing the secret conversation. Open it, and you'll see a notification indicating it's encrypted. To remove the encryption for this chat, click on the username of the person, scroll down, and click on Restrict. This action will move the chat out of sight and hide your activity. Click on Restrict, you'll no longer be in contact with this person, but the encryption has been removed. Similarly, the next method involves accessing privacy and safety settings. Click on the three bars, then the settings icon. Open the option of privacy and safety, then navigate to encrypted chats. Open security alerts and manage them by toggling off all the options. This will remove end-to-end encryption. Lastly, you can delete the entire encrypted conversation. Long press on the conversation, then click on Delete Confirm by clicking Delete again. With that, end-to-end encryption will be removed. These are the ways to remove end-to-end encryption in Messenger. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.